In this video, you'll learn how to add dynamic custom fields to your WooCommerce checkout page. Fields that automatically adjust based on the quantity of items in the cart. This is especially useful for scenarios like bus ticket bookings or event registrations. I've already added the required code snippet using the Code Snippets plugin. Now let's activate it to see it in action. Next, I'll test this on our sample product. City Ride bus ticket. I'll set the quantity to 3 and proceed to checkout. Notice how the checkout page now displays 3 sets of guest detail fields, one for each passenger. These fields were generated automatically based on the quantity selected. Now, let's update the cart. I'll reduce the quantity to 1 and head back to checkout. You can see there's only one guest details section now. That's the power of dynamic fields. They adjust instantly. I'll fill in the guest details and place the order. Once the order is placed, you can see the guest information right on the thank you page. Finally, let's switch to the WooCommerce Orders section in the admin panel. Here, all the guest details are stored neatly with the order, making it easy for store admins to manage bookings. And that's it. You've just seen how to add dynamic custom fields to the WooCommerce checkout page. This approach is perfect for bookings, events, or any product that requires additional customer details. Try it out and make your checkout smarter.